obviously. And I drive down Middle Street and take a left on a commercial street a lot of times over the years, and noticed this gun across from Legion Field, and I noticed it had to be a memorial gun. The paint was peeling, it was rusting, other parts were deteriorating on the gun. So we scraped all the old paint off it and found out that it was a World War II anti-tank M5. About 2,500 of them were made during World War II, and they were used mostly in Europe. So we went to George Ponce first, who's Director of Veterans Affairs in Weymouth, and told him about what we'd like to do. And he contacted Mayor Headland to see if he'd give permission for us to do it. And Mayor Headland responded very quickly, yes, we could. A lot of sanding, scraping, work was done mostly by my friends Ray and Jose, doing all the preparation for it and then finally putting on a number of coats of paint on the gun itself and the foundation for it. It was in pretty tough condition when we started on this, and we could have spent months on this thing, but we spent about 3 days scraping and sanding it down. When I looked at it first, I thought it was an anti-aircraft gun. And it turns out that the design actually was an anti-aircraft gun. But the designers finally knew that we had to have an anti-tank gun in Europe against the Nazi forces. So they designed this anti-aircraft gun and put it on a howitzer base. So each division in World War II had one of these battalions of these guns to use against German forces. It's a 3-inch bore on the gun. It weighs almost 5,000 pounds. It can fire a projectile 9 miles, but an effective range would be about 4 miles. I think that memorials are very, very important. And a lot of times I think of the effort that was made by veterans, by others, from colonial times right up to the present, and probably unfortunately into the future. These people need to be honored, they need to be thought about, and they are appreciated. We hope those people that drive down Middle Street here and take a left or a right on the commercial street will look at this gun and appreciate that it's a memorial to those that served during World War II. The memorial is really important for those that drive by to think about all those that served and sacrificed themselves to preserve our liberty and our freedom.